So I noticed this sign in the local area recently, which is for the Paddentrek, which is sounds weird, and it turns out that the locals here volunteer in the evenings to patrol this road and save any frogs that might get squished. Hello. So join me as I cycle the Paddentrek route up to the main pond. Now, I don't know if you can see, but there are ditches on both sides of the road full of water. Well, they're full of water now. Most of the year they were dry because last year was such a dry year. But it does mean the frogs have lots of habitat. Well, when there's no drought, of course. And there's little ponds everywhere around here. And then there's a big pond just outside our log cabin in the woods. And the noise from the frogs is insane. I'll see if I can figure out how to put the soundtrack of the frogs over this video so you can hear them. Hello. As you can see, it's quite a long road that the volunteers patrol. I'm only going to cycle half the road because I'm going to keep going straight on the cycle track to the pond. But the cars have to turn left at the end here, because you can't drive to this pond, you can only go by bike or foot. Total gridlock. We've seen 2 cars. And here we are onto the cycle track on the homeward stretch, as it were. Oh, there's a hare running in the field. Don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can. That's the advantage of cycling in the woods. Oh, don't pull that down before I crash into the bush. Having a fun run. Okay, so this is the big fifer. That's the Dutch word for pond. So as you can see, it's pretty impressive. But last year this pond dried up so much that that bridge over there to the little island was just over ground, not over water, and you could actually just walk from here to the island. So yeah, it's been a lot of rain since then. But yeah, this is home to lots of frogs, and it's nice that the Dutch like to protect them.